Old Jim and his dog. Little doggy sat whining on the porch, his tail tucked beneath and ears cocked. His doleful brown, puzzled eyes roved. The biscuits before him lay untouched. His master, old Jim, had shut him out. For what fault, poor doggy knew not. He heard his master toss and groan. His master was in the house, all alone. The sun went down, the stars showed up. The groans grew loud, and doggy thought hard. The kitchen window was open, he then recalled. A cheery bark he emitted and jumped up. He tore down the lawn to reach the casement, and with a sprightly leap, doggy was soon inside. It was dark. The lights weren't switched on. But doggy knew his master's room, so went on. Old Jim lay on bed, in pain, muttering feverishly, when all at once he felt his dog licking him lovingly. "What have you done, son?" Jim let out a cry. "Now you'll have it too. We'll both die." But little doggy cared not what his master said. Old Jim was sick. How could his dog not be at his side?